Once again, welcome back to the Bearish Bulls Club. This is Alpha, and I'll be reviewing a few charts with you guys. Let's start off first with Uber. Uber has been a name that I've been watching very closely. It's had this double bottom here back in the late November and early December. Nice double bottom. There has been insider buying. I believe it was the CEO that bought a bunch of shares. Not sure the number on it honestly, but I could bring it up for you guys so you guys will see. It's just some information I had here. We'll go on a website that I really like called FinViz. If you guys are not familiar with it, it's a very good website. So we do have some insider buys here by the CEO, Dara. So she bought at an average of 44.92, and she bought 200,000 shares, which is pretty good. I'm always interested in insider buys and don't care much about insider sells, because insider sells doesn't automatically mean that the chart is bearish or that the company is bearish. A lot of times they take profits and they usually reinvest them, or they use it for their own need or whatever. But yeah, so we have a lot of insider buys on Uber, and they bought around the 44 area. So now we look at what's going on in the markets. We have SPY was building up a nice uptrend earlier, and I did alert some calls for our team. Those calls were up 20%, and then our stop loss hit once this uptrend broke, and I'll show you guys how that looked. Going back here, going to Apex alerts. It's a little laggy. I'm not sure what's going on, but we had SPY bounce very nicely over the 100-day moving average. I alerted some calls for our team. Those were up 20%. And now we got stopped out after, see, as you can see, I said SPY, 30-minute uptrend holding very well. Watching closely for any uptrend break. If 456.47 holds, should continue to bounce. And then massive uptrend break, and we closed it for minus 12%, because here at the BB Club, we do not hide losses like the Furus do. So nice little drop there. It's kind of recovering a little bit, but I don't think it'll climb much. We'll be watching it closely. As you can see, the uptrend break as well here. So I had to take the small loss, 12%, minus 12% is not a big deal. So we move on. Another name that many have requested is AMC. AMC has been, it's actually very oversold currently. And as of now, the chart looks broken. I'm only interested if it recovers on the 2084 level. Right now it's at 1889, but it is oversold, so it could definitely get a bounce very soon. But unfortunately, the 200-day moving average got lost. It back tested, it failed, and now it's falling lower. So expect a small bounce, but I'm not sure how high it will go. Not sure if we ever get the squeeze that the apes have been talking about, but who knows? In this market, nothing surprises me. Just like this. ATVI. Incredible move with a amazing cup and handle setup here. Beautiful setup. Cup and handle. Peg down, cup and handle. Nice little handle here. And then it exploded right over the 200-day moving average. Now, if you guys want to see something really cool, huge shout out to our member JC. JC, he has been talking about ATVI since November, and of course he put his money where his mouth is. And look at these gains, guys. 1,900%. Kidding me? Look at this one. 1,000, almost 200%. $5,000. Massive win. Another 3,000. $8,000 day for a guy, JC. Huge shout out to JC for killing it. He's been definitely bullish for a long time, and I've never seen someone be so bullish on this name, but he's definitely been watching this name very closely, so congratulations, my friend. So let's take a look at other names before the market closes here. We are live, and we have Disney. Disney had a gap down on Friday, and now it's starting to build some type of support or build some type of base here. So I'll be definitely watching this closely, because this one gapped down before the market actually gapped down today, so could be a sign of strength. It is partially green on for the day, so we'll definitely keep an eye on that one. So Disney will be part of my watch list this week. And there was some bad news on T today, something about a delay, but T does not care because it's in an uptrend and it's fighting against the 200-day moving average. Usually when it fights fights under it, it's supposed to be bearish. So we'll see if it breaks through it. If it breaks through it, it's very bullish. But as of now, finally the selling stopped. Now it's bouncing very nicely. Huge investment. Love to see it. Let's see, VZ is another one that I've been watching as well for a bounce. It looks primed for a bounce, so we'll definitely keep an eye on that. And just a few more names here very quickly. HD was a name that was very bullish for a long time, but then it finally set up on the double top, and now it's confirming it broke under the 100-day moving average. Here are my thoughts on SPY. SPY did have a nasty gap down today, but it's still above the 100-day moving average. As you can see here, let's move back. On October, we had a couple days where it was trading near it, and then it finally bounced over it, and then it retested 100-day moving average, gapped up, and then it bounced near here back in early December, and then once again for the Christmas rally.
Market on close and balance, $130 million on the buy side.
There it is, MOC, buy side.
SBEV, Splash
Let me
Beverage.
just mute this. Unfortunately, let me mute it for you guys. Anyway, so then 100-day moving average. So it's holding up very well. It might close above it. So I'm thinking that we might get a bounce in the next day or two. So keep an eye out on that. As long as that 456.46 holds and 450. Yep, it's holding. 455.46. Let me see, 455.46. That's like $1 right above the 100-day. But as of right now, there was an uptrend break earlier, so I'm not in a trade. Got stopped out, and I think that's it for today, guys. I'll definitely be bringing more videos for you guys, more charts, and if you guys have any suggestions or any requests on chart reviews, please leave a comment below and share, subscribe. Very appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll definitely be back with you guys later this week and see what other trades we could get into, and also sharing my losses and wins with you guys. As always, transparency remains #1 at the BB Club, so come and check us out. We're always accepting new members. All right, have a good one, guys. Catch you guys later.